You will do a double take when you walk through the door of this gorgeous house. Tastefully decorated with warm and inviting colors, you will feel right at home as you enter the open living room, dining area, and kitchen. There are plenty of closets for your storage needs too. The master suite is very large and should accommodate most bedroom furniture. There is a nice walk-in closet, and the master bathroom has lots of room for the busy family needing to get ready in the morning. The laundry is located off the kitchen by the door to the screen porch. The backyard is quite spacious with ample room for the kids to run and play. Located in a quiet subdivision minutes from the back gate of Camp Lejeune, Swansboro, or Jacksonville, you owe it to yourself to take a look. Call today for your private showing.